Hey everyone, I'm Tim.
And I'm Jerry.
And it's snack time.
No, baby, that's Jerry's favorite time.
And today we got some of Jerry's favorite Asian snacks. What do you gotta say, Jerry?
We'll see.
How excited are you?
Not.
Well, without further delay, let's get this poppin'.
Let's go.
Alright, so our first snack.
Not one. Rice crackers wrapped in seaweed.
This looks delectable. Can you read what's...
I can't, I tried. Nori maki arare?
Pretty close.
I'm probably just mutilating that, but...
What are we working with here?
Let's see. Ingredients. Glutinous rice, flour, soy sauce, seaweed, modified tapioca, starch, and sugar.
Sounds amazing. Let's shall we hop on this here?
Oh, let me read this warning label.
Okay.
Consuming this product could expose you to chemicals including cadmium and lead, which are known to cause cancer and birth defects. Maybe just one.
Maybe one. Yes, one. So yeah, let's try this.
Why would there be lead? Why would there be lead?
I don't know. That's odd. Okay. This one seems to be good. It's not bad.
No.
Dry.
Tastes like those those circular rice patties that like Quaker Oat makes? Rice cakes.
Rice cakes, yes.
That's
with
a
seaweed.
hint. It's got a hint of that seaweed / soy sauce.
It's not as bad.
That lead's not bad either.
I mean, that warning label a little sketchy, but
we should have read that before.
Do I love it? No.
Time for our next snack over here. Let's see what we got. Ooh.
This looks playful and exciting. We got
Let's see. A baked wheat cracker. I don't see any harmful effects from this one. It does say store at no more than 82.4 degrees, which is really specific.
Is that Celsius?
28 Celsius, it also says that on here. A product of Japan. Let's see what we got going on. I was expecting something a little different.
This looks like a knockoff of like those
Pandas. Pandas.
like
So it looks
graham
like
crackers.
and it's like a s'more almost, it looks like. It smells delicious.
Or what is it? What is it?
He is excited for these. Let me see if I can get a closer look at one here. We got
the fudge.
Hold on. Got like a little.
You know,
it's like a turtle shell.
The Keebler elves. That's what kind of reminds me of the Keebler
Okay.
elves. Kind of.
I see what you're saying.
Smells chocolatey. You just pop that in like.
These things are on point. I have nothing. These things are clean, baby.
Okay.
Oh no.
These are not bad. I can eat these.
I
mean, they're not gonna replace my chocolate chip cookies, but these are. No. Yeah, weird ass looking.
That's what I was saying. It's just got eyes.
Just staring at
face
them.
the bear.
I don't know if I like that. Might need to email their marketing about that. But these are probably my favorite so far. That wasn't
I don't think
bad.
I don't want to try nothing else. Just
I mean,
give me more of them.
If the progression is getting better than the last one, I would have to think the next one's got to be equal to or greater than
or equal to. I hope so.
So without. Wasabi. I don't know if it's pronounced Gim or Him.
Him downstairs. Looks healthy though. Gluten-free, vegan, and dairy-free.
Yes.
No added preservatives, MSG, or sugar. all of Jerry's favorite things, so I'm already upset about this. But let's
healthy snacks.
This is garbage. That's garbage.
By no means, it's not a moon pie.
It ain't no chocolate log, whatever it was we just had.
Okay.
Oh, they look gross.
Oh, I'm already like looking angry at it. Oh, we gotta do this. Ooh, hey, there's like a bunch of them.
It's like, oh.
Let's just hop into this. I know you're trying to set me up. Like you're like, let him do it first. Oh my God.
Like it?
This is. Oh, don't.
This is gross.
Come on, dude. Finish it. I at least ate one sheet of it.
I ate half. Oh, that's disgusting.
No, dude. This is probably as healthy. At least getting your green
hate
in
that.
there.
One, my lips are on fire from the paper.
Oh, that's pretty nasty. That's.
And they
pretty
give you
nasty.
additional in case you want to kill yourself even more.
We should just do the challenge and just bite into all that. No.
You don't love yourself.
Oh my God. I don't even want to know what's
I'm mad at the last one still.
I don't even want to know what's under this.
This is the last one.
The last one.
Let's just get it over with. Japanese style red bean mochi.
Mochi. We're getting it. We're getting this in just now.
We're getting just this. Okay.
Okay, mochi.
You want to read the warnings?
There's always warnings.
These are my favorite.
In order to avoid choking, please chew carefully and swallow slowly. There is a bag of oxygen. Why is there a silver in this box? Like those little.
I assume.
Oh man, water. I'm thinking like the water. I was thinking about those. Like why we have those things that are like in the shoe packaging, like in your
the soap
food, like the little gels.
The other thing we ate literally.
Keep out of children to avoid reaching and eating.
Keep out of children.
All right, let's pop this bad boy open.
Let's just get it done. I hope there's only one in there.
I'm angry. That might be a big one.
Oh, I like that packaging.
This packaging is nice. That's very inviting. It got me kind of a little excited.
I know better.
Alright, I see Andrew's excited to try this. Oh, this packaging.
Just
Okay.
stir it up.
It's. All right. That oxygen. Dang, with that let that oxygen out. Ugh, that was gross. I got some.
There's a lot of powder.
Okay.
Oh, it was in there.
Oh,
What the-
I don't know how I feel about that.
So we've eaten lead.
Okay.
Oh my.
This is pretty serious. Oh, Buster.
Oh baby.
Do not eat this. This is not some type of seasoning on top of it. Good thing I was here to stop you from doing
Thank
that,
you,
Jerry.
Jay. You know I can't read.
Alright, so let me just go and get one of these. Ooh, it feels very soft.
I don't like that.
Very dense.
Oh, I don't like that at all.
Got all I don't know.
What kind of consistency is this? It's got bounce to it.
Alright, I'm just gonna take a. I ain't getting the brown stuff.
I did, and it's disgusting. It's like a.
Oh my God. That is. The texture alone is bad. Yeah. That is.
Take it away.
I can't do with this. That is not. I thought the seaweed was bad. The wasabi seaweed. The texture alone. This is. Whoever said this was dessert, I'm gonna. That was nasty. Like, That was gross. That was not good.
That was gross.
Yeah. And that's it,
That's
guys,
it.
for
Done.
snack
This-
tasting. Yeah, that's a wrap. If you want to know where you can find these at, we got all these from World Market.
World Market. We should try and take them back.
But make sure if you like it, subscribe, share, tell somebody, leave a comment down below.
Yeah. What other nonsense you'd like us to eat? Try these. People try these. Just tell me how you feel.
Look at that powder just
6 pounds of anthrax just came off of this item. All right. Well,
that's it, everybody. Thanks for watching.
yes.